Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in, taking time out of your day to check out Mystic Element. Today, we're just going to be multitasking out here on the property. We got several little things going on, projects going on that we kind of want to see if we can get wrapped up or, at least get most of it done today. So guys, stick around, check us out. Want to give a shout out to all of our subscribers, all of our viewers. Again, thank you guys. You guys are awesome and showing much love to the channel. Guys, stick around and check us out, man. We about to go over here and finish putting this lock on this pump house and see what we can do next. Yep. Go forward past the tap. We got to run it about there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all, we got that installed.
Lock fits on there. Brand new Brinks lock. Shout out to Brinks. No, I'm kidding. They ain't paying me for nothing, so you go.
So I wanted to see if we can, thank you, sir. We'll add that to the key ring. I wanted to see if we can get creative with some screen and put like some little screen over here, and we didn't bring a ladder.
Hello and welcome back, everybody.
Yeah, kind of welcome back. Remember, we're just continuing.
Back at it again. We're about to put some screen all across up here and make sure no bugs, no wasps, no flies, anything. Try to get up in this pump house of ours. Try to land in any kind of nest, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to cut some screen up real quick, about 6-7 inches. Already got this part partially set up.
I say use a razor blade.
All right. There's staples in here?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. After this part, do you want me to go inside and do it? Or like just go like this and just staple up and then against? How do you want me to do it? Cool.
So do it that way. I'll grab one end for you. Yep. And then even do all of them. I think that's a good idea. So I wish we'd bring our stapler. Got it at home. That's actually good. Let's stick your nails. Yeah, don't worry about the look or anything. It's harder to do with this stapler.
I don't like this one.
And if you can, let's try and keep it so we don't bunch up.
Cut back and hammer them, yeah.
That ain't like our stapler.
So I don't like this one.
That's don't grab it. It's not like that Bauer stapler, y'all. That electric one. So we're gonna have to come back through and come back through with a hammer. nothing in there.
which is always cool. No issue.
Even when I do get our stapler, I might come back with our stapler still.
Oh, just do another couple.
Yep, because I want it in there to where nothing could fly through there. So right now that's cool for now, but
still.
no, we'll come back with our stapler, and the next row you do, try to make them like kind of almost
All right.
if you can. And again, I'm not too concerned. I measured out 7 inches. Yes, indeed. Getting it ready, step by step. Some things we gotta slow down on because the weather,
It's all right.
different
Takes
things.
a little more time.
We do know our main focus is that mobile home. Sometimes we just need a little break from the mobile home. There's a lot going on in there.
No, that's all right though.
Let me try to get one little punch in. Tell you what, y'all, using that Bauer stapler that we used to do the roof makes a big difference. That manual stapler trying to do this sucks.
Yeah, guys, if you're ever looking for one, Bauer, real good one. How you doing that?
We'll definitely have to come back with the ladder and the stapler and clean it up a little bit. But again, this is really to keep all the flying insects out. A lot of times these bees and wasps, they look for an opening, especially the cool, dark spot. That's their safety, their comfort. And then they go on there, and next you know, you got a big old nest inside of your structure. We didn't want that here, so we're just putting up some screen for now. We will come back and use the electric stapler and replace the staples that's in there. I wouldn't be surprised if the screen falls off by the time we come back due to the winds and stuff like that. But hey, we're doing what we can for now. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. We'll find out next time we come back, won't we? That don't look no 7 inches. I could almost bet your money on that one. But again, I need my money. I'm not betting nothing. I'm not a betting man.
We ain't got no nails down here.
Oh, that's definitely not no 7 inches, but it'll work. Main objective is to cover the hole, and that's what it's doing. We would have been done with this
I know.
with the electric stapler. We would have had this knocked out on to the next project. Not today. So what we did was just added some screen up there to the top where the opening is. That's like a vent area. And what it does is, again, it's just for if there's any type of creatures, flying creatures, whatever, insects, they just can't go up in there and start nesting and stuff. So just put some screen up there for now. Get a little closer up so you can see it. It's a regular screen to block that opening, the vent area. Time to moving on to the next project, see what we can come up with. All right, y'all, we finished that task back there with the pump house. As far as putting the lock on, all that good stuff. We're making our way up here to the front of the mobile home. We need to finish clearing out under the bottom so we can somehow, at some point, get ready to set the foundation. As of now, just looking up under there will give you guys kind of an idea of what we see, what we're going to have to do. It's going to be hard to video. I'll try to put this on a tripod to see if we can get it. But again, it's really looking up under the bottom and going with it. So as you see, this is the bottom. We need to try to clear out as much as we can so we can start getting it ready to lay a more solid foundation. So we're going to be cleaning out under the bottom. Probably would not be videoing this because it's kind of hard and the tripod's not low enough to really get under the bottom to see. So we'll kind of show you the end result. See how nothing's really set under there. I don't even know how they have it supported. I mean, I see how they have it supported, but not properly supported. So again, we're going to get busy, clean this out, and we'll get back to you guys to show you the end result.
Hey, Mystic Element family, we are cleaning underneath the mobile home right now. As you can see, I'm already down here trying to get as much as we can out from under here so we could replace the pier blocks like this. Actually put some RV stands.
No, not RV. We're going to put modular home stands.
Modular home stands. Instead of having a bunch of pier blocks and rocks with wood, have a bunch of modular home stands.
Support beams under there.
Oh, and support beams, because look at that. You see that axle? How that's being held up?
These rocks and pier blocks they should never be there.
Yeah.
It's pushing up the subfloor in the inside, and it's not supported properly. So
You guys hearing that?
Dangerous, really.
Yeah, that ain't even supposed to be there at all.
Like all the ones on the edge, they're not supposed to be like that.
No. And this is also no good down here either. Look at that, all nasty. So yep, guys, we just cleaned it out, trying to get it ready to properly do this mess, so we ain't got to come back in another 20 years and do it again. Yep. Give y'all an update in a few. Oh. Wow. Yeah. It's like a mountain of weed down here.
Really? So you can get a handful and bring it. Let's see what it looks like.
This is crazy. I'm bringing more out. A lot more.
Got you on video under there.
Huh?
Got you record for a second.
Okay.
So everybody can see what kind of hard labor Mr. Tay is down there going through. Yeah, I was only able to do so much down there, but boy, it's actually kind of roomy under there, but
It is, surprisingly.
if you ain't flexible, that don't mean nothing. The days of sitting Indian style for me are over. Being on my knees like that too long is over.
Trying to make sure my mask stays on out of anything.
Yeah, guys, this is what we got to go through to get it done, y'all. We got to support that bottom foundation, clean it out, support it, repair the underbelly. There's some underbellies that's drooping down there. Quite sure the rodents had a ball.
Honestly, I thought I saw a little rodent down here, but I didn't.
No, we've been lucky, man. I was kind of peeked out the area, and I kept saying to myself, if there is anything like a snake or anything, he's been left by now because of all the noise and stuff. Only thing I seen was a big old stink bug, and I actually picked that up with a shovel and tossed it across the yard. Oh, wow, that's a big bug, yeah. All right, let me move my camera and
Got a big one coming at you too.
yeah, and I could probably get one more little step from there. Oh, man, it's dusty.
Yeah, I know. It's all just in the dirt, which sucks. That's really it.
He's got piles a little bit too far back.
Yeah, I got you.
Bring it up just a tap more, I can get it. Yeah. I can get it there. Pretty much the bottom,
Just down a little bit, yeah.
except for the,
So I say you just got the add-on wood right here.
and that's all we care about is this, because we need to support this center.
Mounded to a weed that's on the other side, and that's it. So there it is. Yeah, it's funny now.
Huh.
Lock down there. Lock.
Wow. All right, y'all. Well, it looks like Tay was able to go down there and at the bottom down there and knock it out. Cleaned out the bottom. Next step now is to actually purchase some mobile home stands like Tay was telling you guys earlier. We'll probably pour a little cement under there.
That's all right. No.
Probably pour a little cement under there to support the mobile home jack stands that we are going to put. But for now, all this stuff, as you see, piles and piles of stuff going around the mobile home was drug out from under the bottom.
Take you guys on a little quick
Yeah,
mobile home tour.
Yeah.
Pull all this mess out of here. Remember, guys, the main objective is trying to clear it up enough so we could get these pier blocks of wood, which isn't even supposed to be there to begin with, replace them with actual stands, mobile home stands, modular home stands. Yep, got a little pipe right here. Goes all the way around. Not too much was on this end, thankfully. Got a little pile of stuff right there. Let's go back on under here. Yeah, but it's not the best job, but it's absolutely better than it was before. As you guys can see, it's little to nothing down there now. That's what we're needing to replace. Yeah, guys. It's a lot of work that needs to be done, but it's gonna get done. Alright, everybody. We just got done finishing up for the day. We'd like to thank you guys for stopping on by on the Mystic Element channel, giving us another view, seeing what we got going on today. About to go on back home. Got another 8-hour drive soon.
Like I always say, y'all.
Different times for different measures, different folks, and you guys stay smooth, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.